In recent years, the so-called four great new inventions in China, including high-speed rail, e-commerce, Alipay, and dockless shared bicycles, are adopted by many foreigners as the most admired Chinese specialities that they earnestly want to bring back home. Today, Chinese subway trains also made their presence felt across the world. They are going to enter the market of the United States of America, the birthplace of subway train on Earth. They will present American people the glamour of made in China. The first batch of China-manufactured subway trains for the Orange Line of Boston City was unveiled on 16 October 2017 and expected to be shipped to the city in December. They are the first subway trains with complete Chinese intellectual property and in line with U.S. requirements and standards. Connecting areas like Boston Financial District and Harvard University, the Orange Line of Boston City has a daily ridership over 1.3 million, compared with the current beat-up old trains that have been in operation for many decades. The new Chinese-manufactured subway trains will undoubtedly improve the commuting experience of passengers in the city. In 2014, the Massachusetts Department of Transportation invited the global bids for the Boston Subway project. Boston Subway was built in 1897, the first of its kind in the country. It has been put into operation for more than 100 years. The old rail in Boston poses strict requirements to the new trains, one of which is the weight of the vehicle cannot surpass 34 tons. Such a requirement scared away many world-renowned manufacturers from the bidding. Things to meet this requirement is even more complicated than to propose a completely new solution. In 2014, CRRC Changchun Railway Vehicles Company stood out from intense competition and won the 284-carriage contract with the Massachusetts Department of Transportation. This was the first time a Chinese train car maker won a bid in the U.S. market. In terms of structural design, material selection, and space optimization, CRRC Changchun Railway Vehicles Company took over 80 new matters to reduce the weight of the vehicle by 1.8 tons to 33 tons to meet the requirement of the American side. In addition, these vehicles have other impressive features. Thanks to the introduction of special technologies, their external surface looks considerably even and is almost indiscernible from their mirrors. There are specific buttons designed for people with disabilities outside of the carriage. By pressing these buttons, a half-meter-long paddle will automatically stretch out, seamlessly connecting the platform with the carriage for the disabled. There are 3 to 4 reserved seat areas for the disabled in every carriage. Low cost, high efficiency, and local manufacturing has earned China-manufactured subway trains more buyers in the U.S. To date, CRRC has entered the market of Boston, Chicago, Los Angeles, and Philadelphia, with a total number of 1,359 subway trains and shuttle trains under contract. In the past 6 months, for example, CRRC has gained contracts from Boston and Los Angeles for a total number of 184 subway trains. In Philadelphia, CRRC earned a contract for 45 shuttle trains. In the near future, China-manufactured subway trains will stop at Harvard University and MIT, connect to Hollywood, and serve the 2028 Los Angeles Summer Olympic Games. Why Made in China is so well received worldwide? According to some experts, China has almost all the state-of-the-art core technologies in the rail transportation industry. In addition, Chinese companies have the advantages of low cost and high efficiency. The average cost of building high-speed railway by Chinese companies is only half of that of their foreign counterparts, where their building efficiency is twice of the latter. Today, Chinese rail transportation equipment companies are making an increasing number of contracts overseas. For example, CRRC Changchun Railway Vehicles Company has exported rail transportation equipment to more than 20 countries, including Australia, New Zealand, Brazil, Argentina, Thailand, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Singapore, Ethiopia, with a total number of 8,000 trains and a total export values of $8 billion. Today, Chinese railway transportation equipment companies are competing on the central stage of the world. They made their way step by step, from exporting spare parts to exporting complete trains, from manufacturing products with low or medium quality to manufacturing high-quality products, and from competing in the developing countries to competing in more developed markets. In the foreseeable future, Made in China will continue to make its presence felt across the globe, with its reliable technologies and decent quality.